Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Utral sturdy firewood rack holder. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This firewood rack offers twice the storage space compared to standard models and includes 4 hooks for holding kindling, tools, or accessories. It also features non-slip floor mats to protect surfaces and prevent scratches. Made from extra thick metal with reinforced welding and a double-layer rust-proof powder coating, this rack is built to last through all seasons without bending, warping, or corroding. The U-shaped steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, offering excellent stability and preventing tipping or collapse. Keeps firewood elevated to stay dry and safe. Easy to assemble and suitable for a wide range of spaces such as patios, backyards, garages, living rooms, and porches. Perfect for storing, organizing, or drying firewood year-round. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.